In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the default email message for your sales forms in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're personalizing a greeting or tailoring the subject line, adjusting these settings can make all the difference in how your communication with clients is perceived. Let's go through this process step by step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First, you want to navigate to the gear icon, which you'll find prominently located in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This little icon is where you access all the customization settings for your account, and it's your gateway to making QuickBooks work just the way you need it to. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to look for the option labeled Account and Settings. This section is essentially the cornerstone for configuring everything that'll make your QuickBooks experience truly yours. Clicking into this menu is your next move, and you should feel confident as each setting here is aimed at refining your business processes. Now, on the navigation panel on the left-hand side, you'll see a range of categories that segment your account settings. Here, click on Sales. This is where your sales forms, messages, and other sales-related settings are housed, and you'll find everything you need for the task at hand. In the Sales menu, you should see an option for Messages. This is the section where you can make all the necessary changes to your default email messages. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to edit each aspect of your communications with ease. Simply click on Messages to get started on customizing. At this point, you'll notice options to edit several components of your email messages, such as the greeting, the form you're sending, the subject line, and the body of the email message itself. Each message section allows you to make the kind of adjustments that will ensure your correspondence is not only professional, but also uniquely aligned with your brand's voice. Have a go at editing these fields. Maybe you want to include a friendly greeting that speaks to your customer service commitment, or perhaps a subject line that clearly outlines the email's intent. It's really all about setting the tone and clarity you want to convey to your clients. Once you've made all your desired changes, remember to save your work. Clicking Save and Done will secure these updates, making sure every sales form email that goes out from now on reflects the changes perfectly. And just like that, you're all wrapped up. With these steps, you've customized your email messaging in QuickBooks Online, adding that personal touch that can mean so much to your clients. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!